In this video, I'm going to review these handy little laundry strips by Tru Earth. These are revolutionary and have a number of advantages that I really like. So we're going to try them with some diapers. I got a couple of bags of diapers, and this is 2 or 3 days worth. And as you can imagine, these are pretty rank. So we're going to give it a whirl and see how this works. Turn these inside out, you just dump them in there. Alright, now the first load when you're doing diapers is always a rinse load because we want to rinse out all of the solids. So let's do that and then we'll come back. The rinse wash is now done and so we're ready to wash them. I am going to use a little bit of OxyClean, and that's just at the bare minimum. That's, I don't know, probably 2 tablespoons. And I'm just not going to compromise on this because it's diapers. So we're going to toss that in there and grab one sheet. Toss that in there. And put this on heavy duty, and we're going to do a hot load because they're whites and they're diapers. There we go. Alright, so the wash is done, and the first thing you notice is that when you open this up, everything smells fresh. If you've done diapers before, you know that that is a big problem, is to get all the odors out. And so let's dry them and then we'll take a look to see how well it cleaned. So there are a number of reasons why I'm interested in this product. And the first reason is that there's simply no plastic at all. And they take up so much less room than the bottles that you have to buy normally. And I think it's really important that we all try and reduce the amount of plastics that we use, because it's great if you recycle them, but in the end a lot of it just winds up in the landfills, in the oceans, and the best way to prevent it is to not buy it in the first place. The thing I liked about them is they're just so easy to use. You just take a strip out, toss it in the washer, and add your clothes. That's all there is to it. The diapers are dry, so let's take a look. I've got a mixture of pocket diapers and regular cloth diapers. And as you can see, these regular diapers all came out really nice and clean. Now we also have a number of pocket diapers, and here are the inserts. And these have been used a lot. And then of course the shells here. And they all came out nice and clean as well. So I've only been using these laundry strips for a couple weeks, but I believe they're a really good product and I like them a lot. So I'll put some product links in the description below, and have a great day.